So hey guys, welcome back to a new vlog after a long time, after almost about 3 months. The last vlog was when we went to Rajasthan, and now you know what season it is. We are going to attend the Mahakumbh Mela, which happens once in 144 years, and we will also attend, we'll visit Ayodhya too, and it is 2:10 right now, and our flight is at about 6:15. So let's go. So guys, our security check is done, and yeah, our flight is somewhere, I'm not finding it. Yeah, this one, Lucknow. So it is at 5:45. So yep, let's go. So guys, if we get lost in the crowd of Mahakumbh, we have bought the similar color of caps, and that's my dad distributing it to everyone, because we have gone to this Mahakumbh with a total of 12 people including me. So yeah, it is a huge group, and yup. So guys, the roads are currently very good, and we are moving in quite a fast speed, but according to Google Maps, there's almost an hour and a half of a jam once we get closer to Prayagraj. So for 60 kilometers we are taking around 2.5 hours. So yeah, let's hope for the best. Okay guys, see what's happening. 21 kilometers and 2 hours 18 minutes. Oh my god. And then when we are Indian people, so we've started eating our lunch all in the Tempo Traveler. And bhaiya hi bol do yahan pe.
Hi, hello.
So guys, we had left Lucknow at 9:30 a.m. It is almost 4 right now. So yeah, more than 6 hours of a journey. And this place is vast. So we are in the parking right now, and this is like extremely big. And we have to take a bus or a sharing auto or something like that to reach the place. And there are two ways, which is the Sangam Ghat or one of the ghats here itself. So the Sangam Ghat is the place where all the three rivers meet, which is the main place and the most sacred place to have. So guys, there's a lot of difficulties going around here. हम लोग कुछ ना कुछ जुगाड़ तो लगा रहे हैं, लेकिन वही, so like no auto guys agreeing to come. They're asking to take the bus, whereas the bus, there's a 2 to 2.5 hour jam, and this is a problem. We are trying to figure out many ways. It's already been 1.5 hours since we came here, and we are trying our best, but till a point, from some influence we could get through, but after that we couldn't. So we are finding some way to at least take a dip in one of the ghats, and let's see how it goes. So guys, I don't know what's happening. No one knows what's happening here. No one knows where they are going, why they are going, how are they going. I don't know. We just took an auto to somewhere, and then it apparently ended up in the point where we were just like 10 minutes back. And then my flippers is also flipped up. I don't know why I'm so dumb to wear slippers to a place like this, and I absolutely have no idea. Okay, and then this auto guy is like ripping us off by leaving us at the same. and there is literally chaos everywhere. 360 degrees. There are people horning their buses and two-wheelers trying to fit in out of nowhere. And yeah, it is a very chaotic situation, yet we are managing. So let's go. So guys, from the main bus stand, okay, I look so weird, damn. Okay, so from the main bus stand, we took a sharing bike to one of the sangams here, and you can see the bridge. It has so much traffic. So this is the bridge where the main traffic jam happens, and now we are going to take a dip in this sangam. It's already 6:30. Our plan is to be in Ayodhya during the midnight or early morning. So that is going to be our plan. I just hope that we won't encounter another traffic jam again once we exit. So guys, my bath is done, and yeah, all my family members are there. Okay, not that. Okay, yeah, whatever. So our stuff is here and all, and yeah, I'll meet you once the thing is done. So guys, we had dinner in a dhaba, and now we are headed towards Sri Rama Janmabhoomi, which is Ayodhya. And yeah, it is almost 10:35 right now, and I think it will take around 2.5 to 3 hours. So I'll meet you when we reach. It is like that 1:02 a.m. We are stuck in one of the traffic jams for no reason at all. We've been traveling to Ayodhya since the past 5 hours, but we have never reaching it. So guys, I know you can't see me. Yeah, that's better. But yeah, it is around 5:45 right now, and we had left Prayagraj at around, I don't even remember, because there was a traffic jam of hardly 500 to 800 meters, but that took us 2.5 to 3 hours to cover and to go through. So our estimated time of arrival was around 2:30 a.m. and yeah, it is 5:30 now. So yeah, we couldn't book a hotel, of course, because of the scenario. So we got to know some homestay kind of thing via some relative. So we're gonna stay in that. We're gonna take some rest, and let's see where to go.